What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I had intentions of going and working on the Dart, but unfortunately we can't make it to the shop. So Mississippi gets snow and ice like, I don't know, one time a year, and it's that time of the year is finally upon us. So I'm stuck at home, or close to home at least. This is day 2 of the winter storm. So I'm gonna go and just crank all the vehicles up. Old Valiant's battery's been dead. I charged it up. We'll see if it'll start. Just gonna crank all the vehicles up and make sure the batteries are up. Then we might potentially get the little Festiva out and try to take it down the road and get some drone shots and see if we can capture this pretty landscape we have here. The Silverado is the one we really need to make sure stays up, because it's only 4-wheel drive. Hey, pup. Hey, girl. What are you doing? So let's see if this thing will start. Got that running. Now let's stick a battery on the Valiant here. Let's see if we can make it run. Battery, I ain't gonna lie, this poor car's been neglected. So, battery's just been dead for a little while. I pulled it off and charged it up. I don't even know if the battery's any good anymore. So let's... It has remote start, but it's always got to be reprogrammed after you take the battery off. I don't want to reprogram it right now. So I already know this guy will crank. Got no question in my mind. Bam. Let's move this back a little. Good. I knew it would crank. It's a trooper. Alright. This is running. It's been running for a minute. I'll let it run a little longer later. But let's see if the old Valiant will crank up. Poor thing. So neglected. Alright, come on, buddy. You ready? Pressure's good, charging, shaking no gas in it. We'll just let it sit out here and run for a while. Alright, we're loaded up in the Festiva here. Bam, look at that. We're rolling. We're rolling. Gotta keep your momentum up though. Keep the momentum up. E-brake. Oh yeah. It's really not that bad. It's slick. It's definitely slick, but I think the roads are better than they were yesterday. They're really not too bad. I mean, it's a solid sheet of ice. So I guess whenever I say they're not too bad, I don't mean it like that, because they are kind of bad. Really wouldn't trust much to go down this road. Like, I know for a fact the Dart or the Valiant don't stand a chance. This is some good Hooning roads, though. I tell you what. Bet I could pull the... Oh, Call me Ken Block, son. Probably don't need to be doing that though. Call me Ken Block. Hey, I freaking nailed that. I'm a professional, boys. Even though I about put it in the ditch, I'm pretty good. So yeah, I mean, Mississippi gets ice like this once a year. And usually when it does, it shuts the whole state down. So right now, as far as I know, everything is shut down until at least tomorrow. At this point, I decided I wanted to hoon around just a little bit, so I hopped on over to my aunt and uncle's house and decided I was going to go ahead and slide around in their backyard rather than on the roads. All right, we're just going to let Dad do the donut. So I got the drone out over there. Try to get some drone footage of him hooning around. I need to see second gear at least. There you go. Let's get Dad doing the 4 high donuts. Think you will? Alright, so we've let Dad do his skitty doos in the truck and in the Festiva, but he wouldn't put the GoPro on, so I don't have any audio from it. So we've got the drone set up in the air. Let's go see if we can do a couple of skitty doos. Alright, how fast can we get going? One more good run and go. All right, let's see. You know, I didn't mean for this car to be beat on like this, but it's how it goes, I guess. Break it. I don't stop, to be honest. The synchronizers in first gear don't really care for what I'm doing. All right, we are officially done hooning at the uncle's house. And we gotta go grab some gas. I was told the gas station's open, so we'll try to go grab some gas and probably head back to the house, because realistically I probably, you know, don't need to be out on the roads in case there are important people that do need to be out on the roads and I end up getting freaking stuck in this thing or something. What? Yeah, I know this ain't quite the normal video or nothing like that, but I probably need to stop pulling that e-brake, to be honest, before I get hurt. The gas station's open, look at that. Let's grab us some fuel here. Got the old locking gas cap, you know, keep people from stealing all 10 gallons of gas this thing holds. Fuel. We're just gonna head back home. Sun's kind of starting to set. It's kind of I don't know how Old Man's Garage does it, unless he just has a pilot with him the whole time, or if he's got a driver or something. I don't know. It's pretty impressive he can multitask and get these shots going. Because it's kind of difficult for me to do, especially on icy roads. So I guess that's mostly all we have to do for now. We're gonna get back out here on the road and more car is not doing as good as gas mileage as I'm thinking it should. I'm expecting somewhere in the 40s, and I know I have an oxygen sensor issue, and I really didn't think it would affect it that much, but I'm only getting about 27, 28 miles to the gallon right now, so that's not really ideal, you know. Not really ideal on old gas mileages, but we'll work on it. I tell you what, you pretty much got to guess what lane you're in out here, because there ain't no lines, no nothing. It's just ice. I'm gonna stick to the right side and hope everybody else does the same, pretty much. Well, we made it back from our little Hooning adventure in the Festiva. Went and got some gas and should be good to go. This little car should be good to go for when the roads thaw back out. I probably won't be going out and Hooning again. No real need to. Got the battery back on the Valiant, and it should. Oh, yeah, there it goes. So that's doing good. Battery's back up on that. Got the batteries charged up on everything around here, so that was a success. The Valiant ran the whole time I was gone. Give it a cut off there. Valiant ran the whole time I was gone. It did great. Festiva did great. Heater actually worked. Oh, if anybody knows these cars, you know they have a hard time getting up to temperature anyway, especially in cold weather. And I don't even have the radiator blocked off in this thing, and it actually had a pretty decent heater, so I'm very impressed with that. Overall, I'm gonna call this a win. I didn't put it in the ditch. It actually held the road pretty decent for what it is. But yeah, that's really all I have. Can't go to the shop to work on anything. Stuck at home, at least until this all melts and actually doesn't refreeze. It's supposed to be like 4 degrees, 3 degrees, something like that tomorrow morning, or the low for tomorrow. So I don't expect us to go anywhere probably the rest of the week. So I'm gonna be hanging out in the house, and I figured I had to get a video out, you know. We're at 1,200 subscribers now, so that's pretty awesome. Starting off 2024 really strong. I appreciate everybody's support so far on the on all the Festiva builds. Well, builds, I guess. But I'm hoping we get to do Power Tour this year, and I kind of need your help on determining what we're going to take. This is a contender. It's going to look different than it is now. I wouldn't take it the way it looks. It'll look different. It'll be cool. It'll be neat in its own way. But I don't really know. It's kind of a joke. I would really like to take a hot rod. And the Valiant, I mean, it's ready to go. It's hit the road, ready to go. But we took it last year. So I would like to change it up. I would like to take the Dart. But like I said, I don't want to run a 3-speed in the Dart this year. I've been spoiled by overdrive, and I would like to put something different in there. Maybe a manual 5-speed, 6-speed, 8-speed auto would be really cool. I wouldn't go anything less than 8-speed on an auto, because I mean, the 46 RH is cheap and easy, but it's not really anything impressive or new. No need to go like Nag 1, I think it's called, 5-speed or 6-speed automatic. There's no need for that, because the controller costs the same as an 8-speed, and the 8-speeds, for some reason, it's a little more common of a swap behind a small block Mopar. I do plan on keeping it Magnum powered. I don't plan on doing a Hemi anytime soon, because I can't afford it. So let me know what you guys think I ought to do for Power Tour. Give me some suggestions. Give me some transmission suggestions for the Dart. But anyway, I appreciate y'all for tagging along. It wasn't necessarily a normal video by any means. It was just a get out and romp around. Most of it will probably be music over drone footage, because that's probably the best parts of it. So let me know if you'd like to see some more drone footage. I'm trying to work with it and get a little better at it. But anyway, thank you all for your support. I appreciate you watching. We'll see you next time.